right, guys, so let's talk about something that I hear from so many artists that I work with. It's this kind of style anxiety where you scroll through Instagram and you see artists with a body of work that is so cohesive and recognizable. And then there's this little voice inside your head that keeps asking you, why don't I have that? What's my style? You feel like you're trying on other people's clothes and nothing fits. So if you've ever felt that, I want you to know that you're not alone, because I have definitely felt that too. Okay, so I want to share what I have learned after years of searching for my unique voice. Your artistic style isn't something that you can go out and find. It's not like a set of lost keys or something. It's something that you discover. It's already inside you. It's the sum of all your unique preferences, your life experiences, your favorite colors, and the way you naturally make a mark when you're not overthinking it. All of this is just buried under layers and rules and expectations and the belief that you should be painting like someone else. So how do we start peeling back those layers? There are two simple changes that you can make in your studio today. Stop focusing on what you think you should paint and start focusing on what you're curious about. So instead of looking for a subject, look at your own life. You are the expert of you. So who is better to tell you what to do than you? Look at what kinds of textures you like, color combinations, or even feelings that you're drawn to in your own daily life. Style begins with what you personally love, not what you think is good art or what you think someone might want to buy. Just try it. You'll be surprised at what you discover. The next one is stop focusing on if this is correct and start focusing on, does this feel right? So the next one is stop focusing on if things are correct and focus on how things feel for you. Do they feel right? For your next painting, I want you to give yourself permission to make one weird decision. Use a color that you love but are afraid of. Make a mark that feels joyful but maybe isn't that sophisticated. And, those moments you choose truth over correctness, those are the moments that your real voice begins to emerge. Perfectionism stands in the way for so many of us. So while focusing on how something makes you feel, you can really help yourself overcome self-doubt. All right, so I just wanted you to know that applications for the next session and the last session of this year are open right now, but they close on Sunday, August 24th at midnight. I keep this group really small, just 10 artists, and this is so important because it ensures that you will get direct personal feedback from me throughout our 9 weeks together. So if you're a dedicated intermediate artist and you're ready to stop searching and start expressing yourself, I would be so honored to guide you. So just click the link in the description to learn more about the course and submit your application, because I cannot wait to see it. All right, guys, thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you next Wednesday.